There are several excellent laptops available for programming students, depending on their specific needs and budget. Here are some top options. 1. MacBook Pro, M1 chip. Apple's latest MacBook Pro models with the M1 chip offer exceptional performance and energy efficiency. They come with a robust ecosystem of development tools and are popular among many programmers. 2. Dell XPS 13. The Dell XPS 13 is a highly regarded Windows laptop known for its sleek design, excellent display, and powerful performance. It's lightweight and portable, making it convenient for students who need to carry it around. 3. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon is a durable and well-built laptop with a comfortable keyboard. It offers a great balance of performance, portability, and battery life, making it suitable for programming tasks. 4. HP Specter X360. The HP Specter X360 is a versatile 2-in-1 laptop with a touchscreen and a 360-degree hinge. It has a premium build quality, good performance, and long battery life, making it ideal for programming students who value flexibility. 5. ASUS ZenBook 14. The ASUS ZenBook 14 is a compact and lightweight laptop with a powerful processor and a dedicated GPU. It offers good performance for programming tasks and comes at a more affordable price compared to some other options. 6. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. The Surface Laptop 4 is a sleek and well-designed laptop that runs on Windows. It offers excellent performance, a high-resolution display, and a comfortable keyboard, making it suitable for programming and other tasks. Remember, when choosing a laptop for programming, consider factors such as processing power, RAM, storage, display quality, keyboard comfort, and battery life. It's also worth checking if the laptop supports the programming languages and software tools you'll be using.